Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to mortise door hinges with a router tool. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this video. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet while still demonstrating and explaining the entire process. So essentially, there are a few very simple steps. The first step is you want to take the door hinge over here. You want to place it on the side portion of the door, and you want to trace it out. So you basically want to place it exactly where you want it to be and then trace it out. Conveniently, I've already done that. So as you can see right here, I've already traced it out. This is what I need to mortise. And to mortise means like to almost create like an indent, to like chisel out, okay? Now I've done many door hinges, many door hinge chisels using an actual hand chisel, and that works really well, but a router tool is just a fantastic way to just get the job done almost perfectly, okay? Now the next thing that you need to do is make sure that your router tool is equipped with the proper blade. This is just a standard cutting blade, very simple, and you want to make sure that the blade is sticking out above the flat panel the same depth as the door hinge. So what I would do is I would place the door hinge like this along the flat panel, and I would make sure that the cutting blade is sticking out basically the same thickness as the door hinge, which I've already done conveniently, okay? Once you've done that, essentially all that you want to do is turn on your router tool, okay? And you want to start just essentially chiseling this out. Now, what some people will do is they can take a box cutter and cut along these lines, because that'll give it a sort of like a hard edge to finish on, you know, and other people will take a chisel and cut along these lines first. I like to just do it with the router tool, and then I like to do the box cutter after if I don't get anything. So I like to try and do it perfectly with the router tool, and if I don't get anything, then I'll go after with a box cutter or a chisel. Now, I tend to try and go like along the perimeter first. Once I've done the perimeter, then I sort of just do all the inside, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, my router is indeed plugged in, okay? I'm gonna get ready. I tried to give you a good viewing angle, so I wanna see, yeah, so you can basically see a good amount. Hopefully the cord doesn't get in the way too much, but you can hopefully see what I'm doing. I'm gonna do my best. Let me put the cord on the other side. Whoop, just because, give me 1 second, actually. My clamp just came out, so I'm just going to take a quick moment to fix it. I was gonna restart the video, but I think this is like my 10th take, so I'm sick and tired of restarting it. So just give me a moment, and I will clamp it back in place. You want to make sure that your unit is clamped, your door is clamped nice and firmly in place. That's it, good to go, perfect. So we should be good to go. Now, like I said, I'm gonna try and put the cord. Let's try it like this, maybe. Keep the cord on this side over here. Sorry about that. I'm just wrapping the tool around me. And we should be okay like this. Cord should stay out of the way as far as I know. So what we're gonna do, like I said, let me turn this around, sorry about that. We are going to essentially route out that door hinge. So I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I'm gonna turn the unit on, and hopefully you can watch as I do this, okay? So let's go ahead and we're gonna turn the unit on. Here's the power switch. It's gonna get loud, so I'm gonna stop talking, and let's get this door hinge nicely chiseled in and mortised in. Let's go. So, if you take a look right here, I did overgo just a little bit right over there, but now that I've got my outline, essentially what I would want to do next is just get all the inside done. Like I said, I went over just a bit, but to be honest with you, this is an old door. If you can't already tell, I've already like done a good number of videos with it. You can see there's like all putty on this side. I'm just using it for video, so it's just for demonstration. But if I was doing this and I was gonna install this door, I would really take my time and move slowly, okay? But you know, because this is just a demonstration, I'm just sort of giving you a rough idea. So let's go ahead and we're gonna chisel out the inside as well, just like this. All right, so Now that I'm done with the router, I'm gonna unplug it. I always unplug it just for safety. But as you can see right here, we've chiseled out, we've mortised out, I should say, the door hinge. It's not perfect, but if I was going to be doing this for real installation, I would take like almost twice as long to really make sure it's done well. I would probably get the box cutter, you know, I would go close to the edge with the router, but I would get the box cutter or the chisel and really make sure I get a hard edge like that. But yeah, that's it. That is essentially how to mortise out door hinges using a router tool. It's actually a really simple process, and I'm showing you exactly how to do it throughout this video tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.